Okay, take a look at these amazing shots taken in Aroostook County last night by local photographer Paul Sear. Those are indeed the northern lights. Of course, the science behind it is one thing, charged particles from the sun hitting our magnetic field and then reacting with gases in our atmosphere. But you have to wonder how many people in the county who saw it were thinking about all of that instead of just one word: wow. Beautiful images.
Wow. Cool.
Oh my gosh.
Spectacular views. Nice job, Paul.
And great that the clouds weren't that.
Just enough. Yeah, they were shooting through them, but that's how strong. That was a good aurora because they're strong enough. Some of them are weaker than others. I think I told you I've seen it once in my life. It was actually at Linden State.
Yeah, in Vermont.
And that was it. And I haven't seen them since.
Yeah, they're hard to come by. But a view like that, it's spectacular.
We would have had a chance tonight. A good model on it again, but just there's too many clouds. I just don't see how it's going to happen. You don't want to stay up till 2 a.m. to see if there's a little hole in the cloud. Maybe you do, but I don't. All right. I'm trolling a little bit with this map, but also it's true. Wind chill map, because I was looking at the temperatures, looking at the winds, and they did actually register on the wind chill map 36 degrees what it feels like in Portland, 39 in Wiscasset, 36 in Rockland, and that doesn't take into account moisture in your skin, drizzle, making it feel even colder. So yeah, raw for sure. That's the way to characterize today, and tonight will be the same. Showers still out there. Some of this is below the radar beam as low-level drizzle, but it's still raining. We have one last area of rain that's really kind of fallen apart, and the reports out of here are very, very light or non-existent for rain at the moment. So that's the band that gave us 1.5 inches to up to 2 inches of rain. It is slowly moving out, but you can see why you might not want to wait up for the aurora borealis tonight, because there's a lot of clouds out there, really thick. You can see as we just lost the angle on the visible satellite, but there's just not much clearing to be had there. So tonight, temperatures don't drop that much, and there's a couple of different ways to see what a pattern looks like without looking at computer models very much, and one is forecast temperatures. So if your high is 45 and your low is 42, 9.5 out of 10 times it's going to be cloudy and or rainy during that time period, because that means that we're not warming up at all during the daytime with sunshine. So today we were 45, 46. Tonight will be about 40, 41. There's not going to be a big change. Continue with that onshore flow, drizzle, showers out there. A couple of flakes possible in the high terrain, probably mostly though we're looking at rain showers. And then tomorrow's a little bit better than today. There's a few breaks of sunshine. There's less consistent rain at least. And then Wednesday and Thursday, we still have a chance of showers, but they're pop-up showers in the afternoon. So we at least get the first half of the day in those days more pleasant. And you can see that kind of the moisture kind of pulses up and down Wednesday afternoon, and then again Thursday afternoon, and then finally 2 nice days, Friday and Saturday. I don't usually like showing % chance of precipitation, or pops as the kids call it, but I think in this case it makes sense to show you when it's more likely you're going to see rain and then how it decreases into Friday and Saturday. Frankly, guys, I could have taken the week off because this is the same forecast as last week. Do you remember we slowly came out of a hole on Monday? We were okay on Wednesday and Thursday. Friday was nice. Saturday had milky sunshine, the same words. And then we increased clouds on Sunday, and we eventually got rain Sunday night, Monday. So can I just leave?
Yes.
Yeah, all right, thank you.
Have a good night.
It's the same thing. So if you didn't
try to break the cycle,
at least we were ending and trending in the right direction for the weekend again.
All right.
Sounds good. Keith, thanks. We'll be right back.